Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampinCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me again today for another video tutorial. Today we are using the Adorning Hearts bundle. It has this great stamp set, and then we have a die and embossing folder hybrid. So let me show you a little closer look. Here's our stamp set. This is great. It's got Celebrating You, Valentine, It's All About Love. And then we have some great floral and heart images. And then we have this beautiful heart 3D embossing folder. So we're going to use this today. And then we have a die set which cuts out little hearts. We have a banner. We have some smaller little images with leaves and little flowers or berries, and we have some fun detailed heart dies as well as a couple plain ones. And then we have this large die that you can see I have some washi tape here because I was using this for another project that will cut out the hearts at the same time that they're being embossed, which is a really great feature. So we're not using this particular die today, but we've die cut some hearts and a banner here, and then we're going to use the embossing folder. Okay, so let's use our embossing folder first. I'm using Moody Mauve today, and this is 3.5 by 5.5. And I want to just emboss this lower row of hearts. So we're going to line this up and center it the best we can just to get these hearts. Let me see if I can scooch this up on the side. All right, we're gonna get this centered somehow. Let's try it again. Okay. If you're doing a bunch of these, you could even put a piece of washi tape or something as a guide so that you can just line it up and you don't have to reposition it each time. Okay, so we're going to put this through the Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. I'm just using the #1 platform, and then I'm using the #4 plate on top. And this is for our 3D embossing folders. All right. Move those out of the way. Now I want you to look at this. Now you can use both sides. I don't know if you can see a little bit. Let's see if we can aim that light a little. This one side has the little hearts, which they are popping off the page. They're embossed. And then this is where the main part of the heart is popped out, and then some of the details are debossed. Or you can flip it over where your hearts, all the little hearts are debossed, and then your main heart is debossed, and then all the detail images inside the heart are popped up. I really kind of like this side. I love the little details popping out, but you can use whichever side you want. Now we're gonna bring in our card. We're using a base of Moody Mauve. Excuse me. And then I have a piece of white for the inside. And then I have a little smaller piece of white, which I'm going to put here on the front. And I'll put the measurements. This is just to help our embossed Moody Mauve pop out a little bit. Just to give it a little more definition. And I am putting my deboss side on the front. I just like that one better. I don't know why. Whoops, I think I have run out of seal adhesive. I have a backup right here. Let's use that. Okay, so this is actually going side to side. And I am just going to have a little border of white on the top and the bottom. All right, now I've cut out a little banner out of basic white, and then I have 3 little gold hearts cut out of that heart strip right here. So it cuts out 4. I'm just using 3 and then the little banner. And then for our sentiment for the front, it says just for you. And I'm using Moody Mauves. We're doing monochromatic card today, which means just using one hue or color. And then let's go ahead and stamp our inside. So this could be, because it's hearts and not specifically Valentine, it could go for Valentine, it could be for anniversary. I'm going to do celebrating you, because I think this would be a beautiful anniversary card. And we never have, you know, we just don't have any good anniversary sets. So this one will be perfect for anniversary. And then I can just write, because I have, I send anniversary cards a lot. I send them to my in-laws. I send them to my kids. So this will be a great one that I can use. Okay. I send them to, you know, brothers, sisters, everybody. Okay. So, and this is a really simple card. You could make a whole bunch of these very quickly. All right, we're going to pop up our banner. I'm going to show you on my, I'm going to pop this up in a different spot than I did on my original sample, and just show you, you know, different looks, just depending on where you put your banner. So originally, this was my original sample. I put it right in the middle, so you can see all the hearts. But on my sample today, let's do I have this? There we go. I'm going to do this just in the bottom. It's kind of covering up these two, but that's okay because we see all the rest. Oh, look, I found another gold heart. I'm just going to do a couple of gold hearts here. Those over. Let's do a couple right there. Maybe we'll do one more. I have 4, so we could put them, and these are just using the gold foil paper. Let's do maybe one right here. And let's go ahead. We have 4, we cut 4. Let's go ahead and do one more. Why not? These are great for scraps. Let's see. I'm gonna put it up here. And that's it. Isn't that cute? So quick and simple. And you could do you could do different colors. It does not have to be Moody Mauve. I just had a craving to use Moody Mauve for this card, so I don't know why. Anyway, that is our project today. Remember, celebration is going on. The cost for this bundle, you get 3 pieces. You get the die set, the embossing folder, and the stamp set. The bundle's $53, which means you also get an item out of the celebration catalog, and I would definitely recommend this paper. It's called Mostly Adorned. One side is gold and white, and it's got hearts, but it has a lot of other items. I think this swirl is my favorite pattern. I just think that's gorgeous. But it's great for Valentine's, for any occasion. It'd be great for, it's got pink and red and gold. I mean, who doesn't love pink, red, and gold? I do. So this is free. This would be free when you place an order, or when you order this bundle. Okay, make sure to check my blog. I'll have measurements and supplies there. And yeah, I hope everyone has a great holiday, or not a great holiday. I don't even know. What's coming up? I don't know. President's Day, is that coming up this month? Martin Luther King Day, that's what's coming up, but not for a while. All right, have a great weekend, and I will see you back here on Monday. Bye, everyone.